So today I'm reviewing these W-2 tax kit, with Adam's Tax Form Helper. The kit includes a 12 6-part set on 6 perfed sheets. I think that's how you say it. 12 peel and seal security envelopes, 3 W-3s, summary forms, and 1 Adam's Tax Forms Helper. Let's see, meets IRS specifications, QuickBooks Compatible, which is really nice. And I just want to show you guys like how smooth. This is like the cover, of course, but then let's see. Also, like comes with all this nice things. So it helps you, like, helper access is now free, entering your print access. Like, it just is really detailed, so you won't get lost when it comes to filing all your stuff. And this is the form itself, as you can see. So tax form is really easy to read. I really like how it's read, like you can read it really well. I think like if you are older, you might need glasses, but if not, then, and these are the envelopes, so you can send them out. So yeah, if you like do your own taxes or own like a tax firm or something, you need like good tax paper to do your taxes, I definitely would recommend this. But yeah,